So hello students, today we are starting up with interjections. So how many of you know what interjections are? So do post in the comments and I will explain that in a very expressive manner because interjections are all about expressions, emotions. So interjections में आप कैसे बोलेंगे? Ouch, it hurts. Ouch, it hurts. Those are interjection. Eek, this is a cockroach, right? There is a cockroach. So these are the things that you utilize in interjections, but generally people know very less interjections like hooray, bravo, only 6 or 7 they utilize in their daily life. But it is important to make yourself more impressive. You should use your interjections. But if I talk about formal writing में आप interjections ज़्यादातर dialogue writing में ही use करते हैं. So let's start with that and you will learn eventually what exactly interjections are, and I will explain with single sentences so that you have the elaboration better. All right? Okay. As I said, interjection is a short word or phrase that shows sudden feeling or emotion. Okay, that shows sudden feeling. Ouch! That's a sudden feeling. Out of surprise, I just got to know that I hurt myself. Right? Okay. Example: bravo, hooray, alas, grr, brr. It's BRR, brr. Okay. Shh, ew, boo, ouch, etc. Okay, so we must have heard about these, this also, and sometimes this also, but many of you don't know how to use that exactly. Okay, then we have shh, ew, boo, ouch, and many more that we are going to discuss today. All right, so interjections are followed by a comma. Very important. So either you'll find a comma or you'll find ellipsis. What do you understand by ellipsis? Do you know the meaning of ellipsis? If you know, do let me know. See, ellipsis, I am telling right now, ellipsis means dot, dot, dot. जो 3 dot, dot आती है ना, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Ellipsis. Now, an exclamation point or mark is very important. ओके कई जगह कॉमा आएगा, कई जगह आपका एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. ज्यादातर ये दो बहुत यूज होते हैं, तो आपको इसको यूटिलाइज करना है अपने इंटरजेक्शंस में. Now usually an interjection comes at the beginning or end of a sentence. I said hooray, we won the game. That is in the starting. And now is someone asking me question, do you know this? So it is coming at the end, in the last. So interjection comes at the beginning or end of a sentence. Try not to overuse. Interjections का use करिए, but overuse मत करिए. All right? So जहाँ excitement है, आपको अपना emotion दिखाना जरूरी है, then you can utilize that. So next one. Interjections are non-standard. What do you understand by non-standard? Non-standard क्या होता है? You should only use interjections for dialogue, right? In formal writing. जब आप किसी की conversation दिखा रहे हैं, है ना, बातचीत हो रही है, then you can utilize interjections more. All right? Now, an example of dialogue is here.
Dad said, how could you eat my special chocolate bar?
Right? How could you eat my special chocolate bar? That means it denotes anger. क्या denote कर रहा है? Anger. So this is followed by an exclamation mark. Another one. Dialogue is when characters in a story speak to each other. I hope we are clear. When we are having the conversation, then you can utilize these interjection. Another
Mr.
example.
Witherspoon read the day's news, sipped his tea, and said to himself in dismay,
Tisk, tisk. What has happened to this world?
Okay. So while reading the newspaper, okay, Mr. Sanjeev, when read it, he was like, what is this voice? What has happened to this world? Correct? So जब आप कर रहे हैं, this is also an interjection. Okay? So ये हम लोग बोलते हैं, but हमको पता नहीं है कि इसको लिखा कैसे जाता है. Correct? और कई कबार हम इसके प्लेस पे एक और भी यूज करते हैं. That is TUT, TUT. All right? So we'll be discussing each of them ahead. And we know, as I have specified, that this was your interjection. Now, starting up with much demanded interjections like, oops, I dropped it again. Oops. यहाँ पे interjection क्या है? Oops. And it is showcasing what? Surprise. Shock भी, surprise भी. Oops, ये क्या हो गया? है ना? आपने खुद ही एक action किया और आप surprise हो गए. Right? So, oops, I dropped it again. Second one, ugh, like we have discussed on the previous slide. Ugh, just keep quiet. Oh, just keep quiet. This is for the anger. Shh, all of you, I'm doing something important. Shoo, all of you, I'm doing something important. Shoo, go. Right? So we use this. So this is the another interjection. What do you think of this? I don't know. UM or U double M you can use. So इसमें क्या है? सोचने का time ले रहा है. सोच रहा है. I don't know. So can you see here it is coming at the end also, and it can come in the starting also. Now, oh, you stepped on my toe. So you can also say, ow. You just stepped on my toe. आप मेरे पैर पे चढ़ गए. So ow is what? Your interjection. Do you like it? Question is, do you like it? Yeah, kind of. So this is the interjection. Okay? आप fully भी नहीं convince हो रहे हैं, but yeah, kind of. So, right? Ew, it's so dirty. Ew, किसी को abhor कर रहे हैं. Abhor मतलब घिन आ रही है. So, ew, I abhor the sight of him. Ew, right? So, ew is the term and abhor मतलब घिन करना. Okay, ये मैंने use किया है, but you can say ew, it's so dirty, right? आप किसी चीज से घिन कर रहे हैं. I can't even touch it. Yuck. I can't even touch it. Yuck. So yuck is another interjection, right? ये किस लिए यूज हो रहा है? Of course, ये भी और ये भी कहीं ना कहीं घिन के लिए यूज किया जा रहा है. So आप इन दो चीजों को याद रख सकते हैं और यूज कर सकते हैं. Oh, look at the baby. He is so cute. So sometimes you will see A, W, W भी आप यूज करते हैं. करेक्ट? कई कबार आप AW भी यूज करते हैं. तो so लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन में बोल रहे हैं, शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन में बोल रहे हैं, ये सारे क्या है? Oh, look at the baby. He's so cute. Okay? Then, what's the time? What's the time? So this is your interjection. है ना interesting?
Yes.
So this is another interjection. And now, say it again. When you were unable to listen, the previous time it was said, you say, come again. क्या बोला? बोलो. So you can use either you can say HUH or you can say EH. Am I clear? Okay, again, I'm highlighting here. Either EH you can use or HUH. Let's proceed towards the next. This is the most common one. Hi, how are you doing? So here, interjection is hi. Boo, get off the stage. Boo, you didn't like something. Boo, get off the stage. करते हैं ना? So boo. This is how you use boo. Okay. Bravo. Bravo. You did great. Bravo. Shabash. Right? So shabashi के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Bravo. Hey. Means you're calling out someone. Hey, listen. Right? Are you coming tomorrow? Alas, no. Are you coming tomorrow? Alas, no. You're sad while saying no. Okay? So there you will use alas. इसको खुशी में use नहीं करना है. ठीक है? All right. Hurrah या hooray. It's time to go home. Yeah, it's time to go back home. I'm staying in hostel. Right now I have to go back home. Hooray. Meh. There is nothing special in it. कुछ खास नहीं है. Meh. So this is the reaction you give. So यहाँ पे क्या है? मैं. aha. ठीक है? तो aha अलग context में है, but आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हो? No. Okay? So there is nothing special in it. Eek. There is a cockroach. Eek. इसके लिए भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Next. Wow. What is that? Wow. What is that? तो wow हम यूज करते हैं. Correct? Duh. He's saying anything. कुछ भी बोल रहा है. Duh. हाँ. है ना? ऐसे बोलते हैं ना हम हाँ. But यहाँ कहें duh. कुछ भी बोल रहा है. He's saying anything. Okay? So उस केस में क्या यूज कर रहे हैं आप? Duh. जब कहते हैं shh, तो एक और चीज क्या होती है? करेक्ट? तो यहाँ पे आप SHH भी यूज कर सकते हैं और आप shush. Grr. Go, I'll punch you. Grr. क्या है? Anger. All right? Yeah, why not? Very common. Yeah, yes, why not? Yeah. So this is the interjection you use जब आपको किसी को हाँ जतानी है. All right? This we have discussed, right? I don't need it to. I don't need it. यहाँ पे से टेंस खत्म हो गया. I don't need it. तो ये क्या है? Hear the voice properly. Okay? So आप क्या कह रहे हैं? Disapproval. मैं approve नहीं करता या नहीं करती. तो जहां disapproval होगा आप ये दो चीजें utilize करेंगे. Okay, have you seen my pen? Okay, have you seen my pen? तो यहाँ क्या रिएक्शन है? मतलब ना. प्लीज माइंड इट. और यहाँ पे क्या है? मतलब हाँ. Is no. So this is no and this is denoting yes. You can't imagine what I saw there. You can't imagine what I saw there. Okay? So this is how you're using So you are agreeing. Okay? Next one. I think these are the interjections which we are done with right now. Okay? This is we have done.
Yes, sir.
So it's oops. Again, I'm repeating oops. Out of surprise, you have done something and then you're saying oops. Ugh. Anger. Shoo. Go. Right? You're thinking. Ow. Correct? Yeah, kind of. So, right? Ew. It's so dirty. ठीक है? Yuck. ये दोनों किसके लिए यूज हो रहे हैं? You are abhorring the sight of something. घिन आ रही है आपको. Correct? Then, oh, look at the baby. He is so cute. So, oh. What's the time? That is this voice. Say it again, please. तो उसमें क्या आएगा? हाँ? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Okay? Hi, how are you doing? Okay? Hi, how are you doing? Boo. Boo. Get off the stage. We didn't like your performance. Okay? Bravo. Shabash. You did it great. Okay? Hey, you're calling someone. Are you coming tomorrow? Alas. No. क्या था ये? Sad के लिए. Okay? दुखी हूं ये कहते हुए. Okay? Hooray. Happiness. Right? मैं कुछ खास नहीं. Okay? एक यक के लिए यूज हो रहा है, जैसे यक यूज हो रहा था. Then wow, we know द किससे था? कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. हाँ, ऐसे करते हैं ना, तो उससे होता है ड. मतलब चुप के लिए गर, एंगर, या अग्रीइंग के लिए. सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग है ना, यूज बहुत करते हैं और हमें पता नहीं होता ये इंटरजेक्शन है. ओके, और ये इंग्लिश का इंटरजेक्शन है. हमें लगता है हम नॉर्मल एक वॉइस निकाल रहे हैं. करेक्ट, बट दिस इज एन इंटरजेक्शन विच इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग इमोशन. तो ये क्या था? हैव यू सीन माय पेन? मतलब ना. कैन यू फील द डिफरेंस? एंड मतलब नो. मतलब कि हाँ. Okay, so this was about interjections. All right, thank you.